This opera is actually quite different from what our audiences may know of Verdi. It's a drama about occupation. You know, it's based on true event of the 1280s, the 13th century, where Sicily was ruled by the French, and an uprising gave rise to a great massacre during Vespers, and hence this became known as the Sicilian Vespers, and hence the title of the opera. This idea of parents and children is very central to so much of Verdi. We see it in Rigoletto, of course, we see it with Germont and Alfredo in Traviata, and indeed with Azucena and Manrico in Trovatore. Henri, the son, finds himself conflicted once he understands that the man who previously he hated is his father. We see this interesting dynamic within him, who he sides with, his father or his nation.
For me, he expresses his best in the big choral scenes. The way that he portrays the French with a sort of slightly frivolous music. You know, if they have a nice drink at the pub, and then the Sicilians, the music is completely different, and the Sicilians is very mysterious, is very subdued. This is where Verdi is at his best, is in really being able to pinpoint musically something that is happening on the stage from the dramatic point of view.
He spent 2 years in Paris composing the work, making sure that what he did would speak to his Parisian audiences. French Grand Opera had its own conventions. It had to have a ballet in Act 3. It had to be in 5 acts. Something which we maybe don't take on board quite so much today is the sheer level of spectacle demanded by the audience.
In opera, you know, we have the same emotion, the same experience that we have in life. You know, love, death, illness, losing a friend, gaining a friend, injustice, work, are all the same emotions, but expressed through the music. All these emotions that were put in music were resonating very much with the people, and I think it's the same thing for the modern audiences. So when you come to the theater open and let you be conquered by the music.